Rastafari. Yeah. Greetings from northern Uganda. Yeah, all the TV stations. Big up to you. Big up to ITV. Big up to Jaluo TV. Big up to Tony CP TV. Today we bring you teachings live from King Jah Fire Barks, the only king of the Rastafari in this time. Yes, today I want to talk about Daniel Soca. Daniel, the fallen hero, Daniel Soca. I am so disappointed in the party president of People Power, the party president, my friend known as Bobi Wine. For a long time I've been telling Bobi Wine that your party is useless, that Rastafari, we must not get confused by your political party and your political movement. You look, even President Yoweri Museveni has won, you Bobi Wine. In Achulila here we have the issues of Balaalo that even President Yoweri Museveni has tackled and you have not tackled. What have you done for the Balaalo issue in Achuli sub-region? What have you done? We have the issue like Kjong issue. You did nothing completely. You shut your ears. Yeah, man. Our people were here being butchered by this Kjong and you chose to even side with the Kjong's. You, Bobi Wine. Yes, you chose to side with them, saying that the government is fighting these people innocently. And yet these people are attacking our innocent people. So you, Bobi Wine, this is my message to you. For the long time I've been telling people that people who don't know me, they think I'm an enemy of Bobi Wine. I have been a member of Firebase. Myself, I used to record in Firebase Crew. 2003, I recorded a full album in Firebase Crew in Kamucha Studios. And Bobi Wine has been my close friend. Even we used to smoke ganja together with Bobi Wine. So for me, I know Bobi. Like I've been telling people that we, Rastafarian and the people of Northern Region, we know Mr. Bobi Wine as one of the good musicians, one of the best musicians. In fact, one in his language, not in my language, in Buganda region. That's what we know. Bobi is a good artist. He's just a musician. Bobi Wine is not a president. So that bad mind, that stupid big-headedness that you are the president, stop it, Bobi Wine. You are not any president. Stop dreaming. Bobi Wine, you are a social media president, full stop. You are not any president, so stop fooling us. Because for me, I'm not happy. Daniel Soca died, and Daniel Soca used to sing you praises. On his channels, you go and watch Daniel Soca. Go and watch. But when Daniel Soca died from Kenya, what did you do for Daniel Soca? They sent you the report. Did you even pull 100 shillings for Daniel Soca? Yes. So, Bobi Wine, you watch out. Stop that fuckery. Stop that nonsense. None of that. We won't need none of that. Enough of your foolishness. You can fool some people sometime, but you cannot fool we all the time. Bobi Wine.
That's what Bob Marley said.
Stop that foolery. Enough is enough. That political party known as People Power must be dismantled. I'm telling you the truth. Stop that political party and come back to the music. Even in fact, you're faded from the music. You're no more. In Achuli sub-region, nobody listens to your songs anymore, Bobi Wine. If you love your music, come back to the music. You're not relevant. So this is my message to Bobi Wine. You call yourself president. I don't know you, Bobi Wine, as a president. I know you as Bobi Wine, Mr. Music Man. You. Yes. So this is my message to Bobi Wine about Daniel Soca. I'm not happy. And the whole of Achuli sub-region, we are not happy the way you treated Daniel Soca. Daniel Soca died for you. What did you do? What did you do? Did you get his funeral from Kenya? If it wasn't our people, it wasn't our own, the MP of Kjong that went and got his body from Kenya. In fact, it would be a laughing stock. To the whole world, it would be laughter. So you, Bobi Wine, enough of your party. So this is to my people, the Luo people. Boycott this party known as People Power, because that's the bullshit party. Nonsense. Better to go to direct to President Yoweri Museveni. Better this government. Better we suffer under this government. Better. Yeah, better we work with government. Because to me, whoever is fighting against the government is a loser. You will lose. You will lose. So this is my short message to Bobi Wine. You call yourself His Excellency. And to all the people who follow you, we the Acholi people, we are not happy what you have done in Acholi sub-region to Daniel Soca, our fallen hero. So I will not apologize for what I've said. Pick it and learn from it. All Emmanuel Selassie, Jah, Rastafari, no apology. Straight to Bobi Wine. People power president.